In this video, we'll look at the weekly safety meetings feature. So these are some brief 3 to 4 minute videos that we've designed to give your employees some essential reminders based on whatever they're going to be doing for that week. Safety Advocate gives you a lot of control over how you can assign these. And the first way we'll look at is as a crew. So going under weekly safety meetings and crew assignments. So this is just assigning a weekly safety meeting video to all of your employees to show up in the Safety Advocate app. It'll show up for every employee during that week, and after each video, there's a couple questions that they'll be asked to check if they got the points. Now, at the end of the week, the option to watch that safety meeting video disappears in their app. And then you as an employer can see who watched the video and who passed the questions. So let's look at a few of the options here. So we see we can determine what exactly is considered the end of the week. So in this case, we have it set to be removed every Saturday evening. And below we can see all the various safety meeting videos that we've prepared. You can assign to all of your employees. So all we have to do is click assign and they'll show up immediately in their Safety Advocate app. At the bottom, we can see all of the history of who has watched and who has passed or failed the videos for that week. So if someone has not watched a video by the time it's removed, it'll show up as not watched in red here. You can see that for this week, we have assigned the PPE respiratory protection video, and only Joe Smith has passed and watched that video. If we want, we can also reassign a safety meeting to an individual employee that might have missed it just from here. It'll only show up for them to rewatch that video. And we can also assign these as individuals as well. So we can assign weekly safety meetings to individual employees. It works much the same way. We can just select an employee. So let's select Joe Smith here. And we get that same list of all of the weekly safety meetings. At the bottom, similar to the crew assignments, I can see this individual employee's weekly safety meeting history here. I can see that in week 2, he missed the respiratory protection video, but then in week 3, he did watch and pass it. Looking at the other 2 options here for safety meetings, we also have group viewing. So much like the employee training videos, we can have the option to display this, say, on a TV or on a computer monitor when you have all of your employees in the same room that you want to get this training. So we can just click to watch it, it'll show it, and then afterwards you will tick off who was there and who watched it. And then finally, we also have the very neat option to schedule assignments. So let's say you want to schedule a series of different videos for each employee for several weeks. And we can do that here. You just select the employee. It could be all of them or one specific. And then you select which one you want them to watch or have assigned for that week. You can select when that video is sent out. So in this case, it's sent out on Mondays. And then just like before, what the end of the week is considered, where that meeting assignment is removed.